करगिल विजय दिवस के इस ऐतिहासिक मौके पर आज हम आपको एक बेहद खास और एक्सक्लूसिव तस्वीर दिखाने जा रहे हैं। ये तस्वीर उस वक्त की है जब नरेंद्र मोदी 1999 में करगिल युद्ध में घायल जवानों से मिलने उधमपुर कमांड हॉस्पिटल गए थे। इस दौरान नरेंद्र मोदी के साथ मेजर जनरल रिटायर्ड विजय जोशी भी मौजूद थे। विजय जोशी ने टीवी 9 से खास बातचीत में इस मुलाकात की बेहद खास यादें ताजा की। उन्होंने बताया कि कैसे इस मुलाकात से घायल जवानों में नया जोश, नई ऊर्जा आ गई और क्या कुछ हुआ था, उन्हीं की जुबानी सुनी।
Kargil war, well, I was the commandant of the command hospital Udhampur. 1999 was the Kargil war. During the thick of Kargil war, Narendra Modi ji had visited Udhampur and he went around seeing all the battle casualties. He interacted with each soldier and put them at ease and raised their morale. And he made it a point. He was very focused and he was very calm and composed, full of josh at the same time. He put the patients at ease. He has the ability, I could see, that everybody could relate to him and they were relaxed. He inquired about their family, their home, what all can be done, what is their requirement. So it was a very lot of personal touch also. Well, as I said, that is the best part. I mean, it's art. Even during very difficult circumstances, to put everybody at ease, which includes everybody, the sick, wounded, critical patients, to the staff, to everybody. He made them at ease. He could assure them of whatever support they wanted. And that went a long way in sort of raising their manobel, as they say, raising their josh. That was the thing. He came out as a true patriot, and one could see, I mean, patients, even otherwise very bad, their eyes would light up, and they felt very happy to see him. Everybody is very happy to see him, actually speaking. Main point is happiness. Even during such difficult times, to be relaxed and happy is a big thing. He was accompanying then Prime Minister, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, because the government team was there and he very much part of it as an organization, to see the ground reality in terms of the operations as well as the situation that it affects individual soldiers and the support system, that is the army and that is the hospital, how well equipped or bad equipped we are and how the patients are. So this was to see a personal assessment of the whole situation. Anybody in such difficult situations who comes to battlefield to assure them of personal empathy, support, is a true Deshbhakt, is a true patriot.